What's up, everybody? I hope you liked the intro, but I'm on an old account and I'm gonna be low-key just started roasting people. Why do I got a jump boost? I'm about to roast some people, but yeah. I'm gonna probably just keep my account until I find somebody. I don't know. What's that? I'm gonna join a new server. Well, I'm probably just gonna hop into a conversation. Probably. I'm just gonna randomly hop into somebody's conversation. Man, why is your avatar fake?
My name's Deep Savage.
Hey, bro, what you talking about girlfriend for, bro?
Oh no, is this your girlfriend, bro?
Yeah, man.
Yo, she looks slow, but
Wait, hey, gang, listen. Hey, gang, no, listen. Hey, listen to me. Look. Hey, look at me when I'm talking to you. Hey, son. Hey, boy. Hey, Dexter, look. Yeah, wait, this your boy for real? This your boy for real? Oh, my God, this your boy. Oh, my God. Oh, good boy.
shut your ugly ass up. Like, bitch, you ugly ass fuck too. What the fuck you talking about? I'm just saying what this is my mom, bro. You fucking fat bitch. What the fuck is you talking about? You got that big ass shit on, like, what the fuck is you talking about? Showing that ass, bitch, you ugly as fuck. Who the fuck you think you is, you fat, you fat, dumb, dirty, ugly, nasty bitch? I'm talking to your ugly ass.
Bro, why you being mean to a bacon then, bro?
Hey, I can shut the fuck up. God damn, shut your ugly ass up, dirty hoe.
Oh my God, who is you feeling like, bro? Who's you
What's
feeling
up to you, dude?
like, who's you feeling like?
Right, please, thank you. Lord. Who with my mama? You can't nigga. Shut your lame ass up.
What the fuck? Damn, that shit crazy.
Oh, I just sold. Hey, say one more word. I'm taking an account. Shit.
I don't really care. This is an auto account anyway.
Oh, you got DC bag.
This is an auto account.
No, you don't say that, man. No, she was cursing.
You still get VC band? That's crazy.
What?
Y'all trying to fake. How you gonna change?
That's y'all doing. How you doing, though? You stupid. Bro, be quiet, bro. Who talking to you? Be quiet.
You talking to me? Hey, gang, you ain't got no head. What are you talking about? You ain't got no head, bro.
Why you out here do it? Like, that's my son for real.
Hey,
like,
you ain't got no head.
Hey, look. Ask him out. With that talking, you be quiet, all right? Good boy.
Hi.
Good boy, gang. Good boy, gang. You talk about you a good boy. Listen to me. That's my son for real. He listen to me.
No, I don't.
Oh, yeah, that's your son. Yeah, that's a good boy. Hey, son, be quiet, gang. Be quiet. Yeah, don't hit me quiet. Yeah,
oh, no.
See, my son for real. That was my son for real. You do what I say. Oh, God.
Alright, 10 minutes, I ain't gonna do shit. I'm not gonna do shit for you, bro. Nothing, bro. Nothing.
It's your bedtime. Hey, son, it's past your bedtime, gang. They go to sleep right now.
Oh, wait, what time is it? What time is it?
My keyboard.
It's dead morning for me. I don't know what you're talking about. Nigga, who's E? Why the fuck are you adding me? Like, why the fuck are you adding me? Your name is EKBB. Like, what the fuck is that? Why are you adding me? What the fuck? What? Just because you were baking. I bet most players is baking, bro. Your mic is horrible, man. Your mic is horrible.
Thank you for letting me know that.
Okay then, stay quiet.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
What you just did though.
But I didn't though.
Wait, how old you was?
With your
What you
ugly
did
ass, you
though.
half naked. Shut your nasty
Stop
ass up, bitch.
talking. Nobody's talking. Go to sleep.
You got a whole fucking
But
wig
how
up,
old you
bro.
was?
You got a
How
whole
old you
wig
was?
up.
Go to sleep. I'm 16. Thank you very much, Gucci.
That's my age. Oh my god, that's my age.
Damn, you trying to online date?
Yeah,
That's
say a word.
crazy.
Hey, son, say a word. Say one
You
more
trying to
word. Say
online
one more
date?
word.
Now you
Nigga,
trying
be
to
safe.
online date?
God.
That's crazy. Trying to online date? That's crazy.
Hey, this not the online day. I'm
They're
doing
trying to
extra.
online
No,
date, bro. They're trying to online date.
hey, gang. They work. Mind your
They're
business.
trying to online date, bro.
They're
That's
flow.
crazy. Trying to online date. Get the fuck out of my face. Who invited you? Like, Bacon.
They're really not.
Bacon, what the fuck is you fucking on
Look,
my phone?
listen.
What the fuck is you doing, Bacon?
Listen, no, listen.
What?
Nah, matter of fact, come over here. Hey, son, come over here.
No. I'm okay, bro.
Hey, son, come on.
Nah,
Come on.
bro. I'm not listening to you, bro.
I'm not gonna
Who do you think I am, bro?
Hey, boy. Come on, boy.
Nah, bro. Nope.
I just built.
Slow
I'm
no
on
head
my
ass.
YouTube.
You ain't got no head. What are you talking about? You ain't got no head.
Y'all need some bullets. Hold up.
Shut the fuck up. You talk too much.
Bro, shut your dirty ass.
Shut your fat ass up, you dumb little ugly bitch. You ugly ass fuck. You like you freak
Nigga,
out. Shut your
who
nasty
ugly?
ass up.
Who is ugly?
Who are you cussing?
I'm better than you. I'm better than you.
You talking to
Everything.
Jurassic Park. Oh, shit, boy. You talking to
You
Jurassic
broke.
Park.
Nigga, get your money up, bro, nigga.
Shut your ugly ass up, bitch. I'm trying to get your real avatar. Now get your real avatar.
Why is you looking
Now get your real
cussing?
avatar.
Crazy.
Get your real
Oh,
avatar.
my baby. Like, get your money up. Not your
Nah.
money up, bro, nigga.
What the fuck? You said I had a baby at
You got no
16.
money on.
You
You
said I
got
had a
no
baby?
money on.
You're a married
You
man?
got no money on, boy.
You're a
You got
married
no money
man?
on.
You're a married man on Roblox? You
Yo,
said I had
Dan,
a baby?
I got a kid. Yo, Dan, I bought
You
my
have a
own. I
kid?
got a kid, so I got a
You have a
kid.
kid?
I was
And
14.
in
Come on, Dan.
Roblox?
Lock in, Dan.
No, you have a full-on kid. You're in Roblox.
What?
Nah, you said you had a full-on kid, right? And you're in Roblox? That's insane.
Wait, Dan.
Damn, you ugly ass fucking nigga. You was chopped. What the fuck is that? Nigga, what the fuck is that? You was chopped as fuck. Damn, nigga, you was so
Dan, look
chopped.
at you. Look at you, Dan.
What the
Look
fuck
at
is
you.
that?
Look at you,
What
Dan.
the
Look at
fuck
you.
is
Look at
this?
you, Dan.
What the fuck is that?
Like,
Yeah, run to that
what?
fake avatar. Run to that fake ass avatar. You get him? Yep, right here. Fake avatar. Yep.
Dan, in real life, ow.
Get that fake avatar.
Hey,
Ready?
what you got?
Yep.
I don't want to do too much. What you got? You got Instagram, Snapchat. Like, what you got?
What do you mean what I got, bro?
Nah. Be so real. Like, what you got? Like, Instagram, Snapchat. Like,
What you mean what do I got, bro? Who
I'm
invited
just
you,
asking.
ma'am? Ma'am, who invited you?
Nah, you keep telling me. You keep saying I'm
Damn,
ugly,
the
right?
stutter.
I'm
The
seeing what you all look
stutter.
like.
The stutter is crazy.
For that picture, boy. My bad.
Here we go. Like, you keep saying I'm ugly. I'm gonna see what picture I look like. I guess I'm ugly,
You
right?
said what?
Then you see a picture you like. That's right.
How?
Oh
Discord?
my god, my hands.
I can do Discord, bro. Bro, who invited all y'all over here?
What?
I said, who invited these people just watching? This ain't a fucking talent show. What is y'all here for? I'm not believing Michael Jackson. What is y'all here for?
What's your age rate? Oh, dang. Hold on, wait.
Wait,
What's
let me.
the age
Hold
rate?
on, what is that?
What's your age?
Why the
Your
fuck
age
did you
rate?
spend 1,600 Robux on this game? Are you slow? You spent 1,658 Robux on this
Are
game?
you slow? You said 6,000. That's 1,000, bro.
Robux.
Is you
That's crazy. Of your own Robux.
No.
1,000.
What's your age range? Because,
This
bro,
shit,
you
that's
sound
crazy.
like... Never mind.
Lucky better be quiet, little fat, dumb, dirty, ugly bitch.
I feel like you're fat.
Who is you feeling like? God, I'm gonna end the video there. on a VC ban. I hope you guys did enjoy this. I did get to roast a little bit, people. If you guys enjoyed, and peace out. I'm about to wait some on VC band on my actual main account. So let me get off LBS Clocky, LBS Clocky, and back to my main fit. Yeah.